Welcome to another video in this channel, the Redhound. In this video, we will discuss step by step how to derive the quadratic formula from the general form of a quadratic equation. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Where a, b, and c are constants. First, we have to transpose c from the left side of the equal sign into the right side. And we can do this by adding negative c to both sides of the equation. Then on the right side, negative c plus c will cancel each other, leaving only the negative c on the left side. Now, we have to remove a from x squared. To do this, we need to divide both sides of the equation by a. Then we cancel similar terms from the denominator and numerator. Simplify. Then we have. Now, we need to add something to the left of the equation to make it a complete square, so that we can factor it out. To make the equation on the left a complete square, we add half of the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x is b over a. And half of the coefficient of x is. Simplifying, we get. And we add b over 2a to the left of our equation. Then square it. To the right side we add the same quantity. Now, the left side is a perfect square. We can then factor it as shown. Then we take the square root of both sides. Simplifying, we have. Then we just transpose b over 2a to the other side and change its sign into negative. We then have our quadratic formula. For those who may wonder where the minus 4ac came from, here's the additional explanations. We recall that somewhere along the process, we have the following result. On the right side of our equation, we have two terms, the b squared over 4a squared and c over a separated by a minus sign. Here we need to make our denominators the same for both terms. So to simplify things, we just multiply c over a with 4a squared over 4a squared. Then we just cancel similar terms, in this case, the a denominator and the a squared, leaving only 4a instead of 4a squared. Then. Now we extract the square root of 4a squared, leaving only 2a as the denominator. I hope that this furthers your understanding of this topic, and this concludes our discussion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe,